National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Van Buren County in north-central Arkansas, northwestern Cleburne County in north-central Arkansas, northwestern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, Conway County in central Arkansas, until 4 p.m. Monday. At 9:56 a.m., the Van Buren County judge reported that heavy rain across southern Van Buren County has resulted in the flooding of several roads across the southern portion of the county. Doppler radar indicates that the general area has received 2 to 3 inches of rain, and will receive an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain over the next few hours. Flash flooding is likely to occur and continue. Some locations that will experience flooding include Heber Springs, Morrilton, Clinton, Fairfield Bay, Greers Ferry, Apello, Quitman, Guy, Damascus, Twin Groves, Menifee, Shirley, Concord, Higdon, Bethlehem, Sequoia Park, Hill Creek, Rocky Hill, Dabney, Hutcheville,